You love your car. It's more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a part of your life. That's why when it needs repairs, you want the process to be easy and stress-free. At Nexterra, we understand how important your car is to you. That's why we've simplified the repair process into just 4 easy steps. Step 1. Your insurance company sends claims to Nexterra. We inspect your vehicle for damages and submit an estimate to your insurance company. Step 2. A Nexterra representative will work with you to schedule a convenient date, time, and location for your mobile repair. Step 3. You tell us when and where, and we'll be there. Repairs are completed on-site at your home or place of business. No need to worry if a large part replacement is needed, such as a hood or trunk. We partner with over 4,000 shops nationwide. Our team will assist in setting up your tow and rental car on qualified vehicles at no additional charge as part of our concierge repair service. Step 4. Once repairs are completed to your satisfaction, payment is made to your technician, and the repairs are warranted for as long as you own the vehicle. And that's it! 4 easy steps to get your car back on the road and looking brand new. Trust Nexterra for stress-free, hassle-free repairs.